Welcome everybody, my name is Michael, and today we're chilling in a Chase parking lot just because there's no one here. So guys, Binance.us, first of all, that's different than normal Binance. For most of my past couple of years, I've been using normal Binance, and then I heard a couple complaints about the US version of Binance, and I get it because there's more regulation in the US, so the same exchange can't operate in the same way. They have to change things up. Now, they've changed things up so much that yesterday, wow, we're above $60,000 still. There was a little bit of a sell-off. We did fall into $60,500, but we're still above. Now, there were some people that got affected by this, which supposedly wasn't a bug by Binance US. It was a bug by some institutional traders' algorithm, which caused a massive sell-off, and then obviously this was happening on Binance, so they kind of got blamed for that. Anyways, the price dropped 87% in a single minute. So, yesterday, you technically could have purchased Bitcoin at $8,200. Now, there's some arguments as to whether you actually could have, because that's such a drastic difference that maybe there's a small chance that some buy orders were filled, but a lot of orders were liquidated. That's right. Meaning, if you went long and you decided to take out some margin, you're like, yeah, Bitcoin's going to go up all the way to the moon, 70 grand. Well, you just got liquidated by a bug. And you got liquidated in a single minute. Well, what liquidated means, for those who are unfamiliar, is you basically lost everything. Everything that you put on the line, of course. And for some people, this may mean they went negative. Now, supposedly, Binance is refunding the people who completely got wiped because there's so many, although technically they wouldn't have to, because that's part of the risk. And this is also another reason I'm not very big on margin trading, because this doesn't happen, once in a blue moon. It happens every single year. Now, which exchange it happens on, it's like Russian roulette. You never know. Maybe this time it's Binance, maybe next time it's Kraken, maybe next time it's BitMEX. All three of those exchanges have experienced these results, and I'm pretty sure every single major cryptocurrency exchange, there were videos that I've made on, or there were events happening where, yeah, you could have purchased Bitcoin at a really low price, but the chances of that happening were super small, because who randomly is putting in buy orders at, I don't know, like a small fraction of where we are right now? What really happens in these cases is thousands of people lose everything they have. At least, hopefully not everything they have, but everything they put on the line. At 11:34 UTC, the price fell from around 65,760 to as low as $8,200. Very quickly, everything went back to normal, but one of our institutional traders indicated to us that they had a bug in their trading algorithm, which appears to have caused the sell-off that was reported this morning. That was from a Binance.us spokesperson. We're continuing to look into the event, but understand from the trader that they have now fixed their bug and that the issue appears to have been resolved. Now, this had widespread consequences, and other exchanges, Bitcoin did fall, but not nearly as drastically. For example, on Bitstamp, the price fell around 2.3%. It never got below 63,600, but still, suddenly falling down 2-3% because of a bug is enough to trigger some people to get liquidated. So be careful, stay safe, and that's it. Thanks so much for watching today's video. See you guys tomorrow. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I want to show you something really interesting. This is actually not that color. The reason being is these clouds are much whiter. That's the realistic color. So my Android has a new feature where, it's basically night vision. However, as you can see, that's also a real color. So compare this to that. It looks so trippy. The reason for that, Chicago's that way. So it's a very cloudy day, and due to the clouds, you can actually see all the light pollution, which I think is super duper cool compared to this. Not that. That's actually dark. Anyways, just wanted to show that to you. But Night vision isn't so great when I'm trying to record. Okay. Yeah, Bitcoin's still above 60K, so we're in the clear. See ya.